Good morning, guys. I am now at the gas station. I am doing my very first car vlog ever. I got myself croissants for breakfast and I got a cookie to try out, even though I don't even really like cookies, but I felt like just getting 2 croissants would be so basic. Like I could literally get these anywhere and they would all taste the exact same. So I was like, let me try out a cookie from the gas station and give you guys like a little review about that. I came to this gas station where they also have like a Starbucks. Here are some clips. Like, it's kind of fancy. This one has like the gas station part where you can just buy your food and like pay for your gas and stuff, and then on the left side there's a Starbucks area. It's like an actual Starbucks building. I go here sometimes because it's pretty close near my house, but the thing is that driving to the Starbucks is like nearby, but driving back takes double the time because I have to go further on the highway to get back to my house. So first I have to drive away from my house before I can go back. So if I want to go to the Starbucks, it could take me like an hour just to get back and forth, and that's like a lot of time. Also, my car is making weird noises right now and I'm not sure what's happening. And also there's like a lot of truck drivers parked here, and one of them is literally staring at me, watching me do this shit, because he probably also saw me set up my whole camera and he's just laughing like, hee, look at that vlogger. I'm kind of feeling awkward, but you know, the show must go on. The show must go on. So we're eating our breakfast. It's a good croissant. I wasn't really feeling like eating anything, and most of the times if I don't really feel like eating anything, I can eat a croissant because it's like very neutral in flavor. It's not too heavy, so it's a good breakfast. Also, it's Sunday, and yes, I could have eaten my breakfast at home, but I wanted to do a car vlog for you guys. So here I am doing it. I also want to get my car washed, so I'm gonna do that after this. And you guys said that you'd like car vlogs because it's like gives you peace, but like, do you mean me just driving and you just watching me drive, or do you mean me actually talking to you guys? Like, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, I've been uploading for 3 days consistently, and you guys should watch the videos and enjoy them, because I've been editing every night to get a video up, and I don't even know why I'm this motivated right now. Like, I really don't know why. Also, today I'm trying out driving with my Crocs on. I have my Crocs on right now. Normally if I drive stick I can't wear my Crocs because with the shifting my feet are just not stable enough in my shoe, if you get what I mean. So then I can't really shift too well, but now I only need to do gas and brake, so I literally can wear anything. I could even wear no shoes, I think, which is not really, you know, safe, I feel like. But with my Crocs I can drive pretty well now, so I can just go out on my Crocs now, you know. In case no one is wondering, I always get the iced caramel macchiato at Starbucks. That's my favorite drink. I used to always drink frappuccinos, but I kind of don't like how much ice is in there. I just want my drink without crushed ice, or like whatever is in there. This is the car situation. We got like 2 cup holders over there. Also, look how nice this is. I can put my sunglasses in here. Nice, right? Okay, quick story time, guys. I am currently like at the parking area for like the trucks and stuff, and this guy decides to go and pee here where everyone can see him, which I understand because it's like kind of a thing that people just like park here, pee here because it's easy. But honestly, this gas station has a pretty nice toilet area and you could literally just go there to pee, but no, he had to do it here right in front of my car where I can see it. Yes, I like that. I like that for myself. What is the craziest thing you've ever seen at like a gas station? Because low-key, I feel like gas stations are like kind of scary if you're here. At least, I don't know, the thought of it, it's scary because in movies and stuff, bad things happen at gas stations, right? But that's definitely when it's dark outside. One thing that I do really like about gas stations is that whenever we went on vacation, like on a long trip with the car, we would always stop at gas stations, and then this would be like your breathing area, like just out of the car, stretching your legs, getting maybe a little bit of food, exploring the gas station area. And I love that as a kid growing up. I love that so much. Even now still, if we go on a trip with the car and we go and we have to like rest at a gas station, like a rest area, I always like that feeling. For some reason it also feels cozy, but I literally just now said that it could also be scary, and then at the same time also saying that it could be cozy. I don't know. Do I even make sense anymore? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna drive to the cleaning car wash. I'm gonna drive to the car wash. Bye. Cute thumbnail for the video. The car wash, guys. I had to get that car washed. It got to be clean. I forgot to turn off my windshield, like my windshields detect water and they are just like wiping, and I'm just like, bruh, it's wet. Oh my god, I just turned them off. Oh my god, I didn't even realize it. That's so dumb. Because this car you can just put in automatic, so if it detects rain then it's just gonna start wiping. But bruh, the whole car is wet. Of course it's gonna start wiping. That was so dumb. Okay. Me and a car just don't really go well together if I don't know how to operate it. Oh, woohoo! At the car wash. Okay, so there's two things about car washes that make me feel uncomfortable. One is, what if water starts leaking in while I'm sitting in here, which currently we're fine. And the second one is, what if any of these devices actually damage my car and I come out of this car wash with a damaged car, because this one is so brand new, like I really don't want to get scratches on it. Okay, we're going into the final part of the car wash. Exciting! After that I can park there and vacuum my car for free and like clean it out and stuff. All right, we are parked now, and now I can start vacuuming. I made it home. I still have some Starbucks left. And I didn't try my cookie yet, so I'm gonna try my cookie right now. Ooh. And then I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Wait, I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. I just cleaned my whole car. Oh my god. Let me tell you the satisfaction of cleaning your car. Like, I used to, when I drove my dad's car, I never really went to clean it. But now that it's my own car, also the previous car, I love going to the car wash. Especially now that I'm going to another car wash than I used to go. And that one is just really big and spacious. And you have like the area where you can vacuum your car yourself. Now I really like going to the car wash. And now I also get why people like to just go to the car wash every like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or I don't know, to like wash their whole car. It's just a very satisfying activity, in my opinion. I'm not sure if you guys feel the same, but I just really like going to the car wash now and just cleaning my car and having a clean car. So I'm definitely gonna keep that up. Now let's try our cookie. I already feel like it's very soft. Like, see how bendable it is? Like, normally I'm used to cookies being like pretty hard. Also, I already don't really like cookies that much. I just got pressured into buying it for some reason. Like, I pressured myself. So probably not gonna enjoy this too much, but let's try it. It feels like a brownie because it's so soft and it's like a kind of cakey. It's alright, it's alright. It's not too special. I don't think I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna give it to my dad. My dad. If I don't like it, I give it to my dad. I really be that kind of child. Anyway, car's clean. I am home. I hope you guys had fun with this car vlog. I'm not sure yet if I like the format that I did it in today, but we'll improve along the way, right? I hope to see you guys in my next video as always. Bye!
You are embraceable.